How to fix this scan stuck at 62.3%. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the solutions. First of all, type CMD in the search box and then click Run as Administrator under the Searched Command Prompt app. In the pop-up window, click Yes to confirm the operation, then type the command shown here and enter the Execute the command option available. Now, the second solution for it is all you have to do is enable Windows Update Service. Right click the Windows icon to open the Start menu, then click the Run option on the menu. In the Run window, type services.msc and click OK. This will open the services window. Now, here all you have to do is look at the Windows Update service and check the status. Right click and ensure the start option is grayed out. If not, click start to initialize it. After done this, for this step 5, simply repeat the operation on background intelligent transfer service and cryptographic services. Now, for solution 3, run system file checker. Simply run command prompt as administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type sfc/scan now and hit the enter key on the keyboard. Then wait until the process ends, then restart the computer. Now, lastly, run the chsdk. Simply, all you have to do is open the run window, type cmd and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter key simultaneously. Then in command prompt, type down chkdsk/f and press the enter key. Type Y and hit enter when you receive the messages. And chsdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Then this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts, and restart the computer to scan the volume for errors. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.